Good morning. Yak fishing forever here. Of course, you probably know that. So I'm out at my favorite lake, and I've already checked the weather report up at the main house. We've got sustained 15-mile-an-hour winds. We got gusts a little over 20-25. So we're still going to get out there. We're going to find us some sheltered coves, see what we can find. They're already busting up the top water here in this cove, so I might play a little bit out here, then move over to some place where I can get out of the wind. So what we're going to do is have a great day. Love my NRS boots. Boundary water launching, so much easier. Boom. The lake is definitely down. Pull this over here. Get this off the mud. That was it, just like that. Oh, come on, come on. Not a bad bass. When they school up on these bait, this bait. Ooh, what do you have here? Oh, you got a tag there. I can't read it. There we go. Not bad, not bad. And gone. Okay. I got him. Hope I got that on camera. That was a nice jump. These large mountains want to be active. Where are you? Get out from underneath the kayak. Ooh, that's a big spot. Oh, that spot's got big belly. Let's see, where are you? I'm gonna... Let's see. Yeah, he's a nice big spot. Thank you. Oh. forever. I love it. The guy up here lives